everybody, we're back at it again with another video. Please, if this is your first time here, please consider subscribing for we do.
Oh my god!
Let's jump into this video. DJI Mavic Mini, let's get it. Backwards, Chris, not forwards. Whew. You hear that, Ariel? Dude, I have no idea where we're at. Ooh, quite dangerous. Sports mode. You wanna go back to the house? Okay. Well, after I'm done shooting this, we're gonna go, okay? Did I lose reception? Oh, shucks, I forgot how to fly this again. We literally hiked up here for like a whole 30 minutes, Ariel, maybe 40, maybe a billion. Wow. Let's try to get a good sense of direction where I'm at. Huh? You wanna go down? This screen is so hard to see. I can hear it, but I can't see nothing in the screen. Do you hear an airplane? Aye. It's just so scary up here in this hill, Ariel. Alright, we're gonna go. I don't want to go house buying. Ooh, I definitely don't want to hit an airplane. This is so dangerous because Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. For the walk up here was really bad. So please hit that like button and subscribe. And we still have to give away once we hit 1,000 subscribers. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, love, and happiness. Alright, let's race down. Move, bitch.